here we are on another grand adventure. We're on our way to pick up our new boat and motor. Oh, right. It's, well, new to us, boat and motor. We got back from our trip and we decided that, well, that's it. We want to get on, if we're going on bigger lakes, we're not using the smaller boat no more. We're using the bigger boat. Hey, auto value, cool. I didn't know they delivered out this far. But yes, we're going to pick up a boat. It's on a trailer, and well, I can't wait to get it home. We bought it the other day, and we had things to do, so now we're on our way to go get it. See how excited the wife is? She's very excited, you see. That's excited for her. But when we get there, or close to there, I will show you the boat. So there it is. There's the boat. Shut the door here. Oh, fall in a hole. That's the boat. That's rough, but it's awesome. 16 footer. We're not going to show you what the motor is yet. There it is. I'll show you more when we get home. But it is a StarCraft. It's deep, it's big, and it's going to work out perfectly for us. All right, I got her all loaded. There we are. She's all chained up, and that was severely rusted. So a little oil in there didn't hurt. And she's ready to go. Pump the tires up. And I think we're ready to go. But still, the motor is still a mystery until I get it home. I know what it is, and you're going to go, oh, not that motor. So, you know, I like old motors. And I like stuff that is not too has no technology. And this boat has not a lot of technology. Oh, look at that. It's got a Merc control. I wonder what type of motor could be on there. Type in if you think you know. And at the reveal, you'll go, oh, I thought that was a Mercury. Haha. But yes, I got to get her pulled out of here now. So I got her home. And sometimes I was wondering if we were going to get her home. But actually, there was no problems at all. None at all, right, my dear? Yeah, so everything held together. That was actually a 2-inch ball, not a 1 7/8 like the guy told us. So, yeah, 2-inch ball, easy loader trailer, so that makes it easy. And here we are, and got her home. Tires held there. Got some neat little things right here. We got plans. Lots of plans for this. I'll let the wife take care of the boat, and I'll take care of the electrical. Yes, it is very moldy. I'll take care of the electrical and, of course, the power source, which I guess I should show you.
The hatch fell.
Oh, the hatch fell. Oh, the hatch fell. Okay. What am I going to do? All right, show you the motor. Well, there it is. Did you guess force? Probably not. You probably guessed Merc. But no, it's force. Don't know the year of it yet. She's a pretty big thing. 85 horse. U.S. Marine. Tilt and trim, I hope, work, or I'll have to work on that and get her all up and working. What else? I love the homemade motor holder there. That thing is just smoking awesome. Props got a little bit chewed up a little, but hey, that's not too bad. As far as I know, and from what I heard, this thing hasn't been run for like 20 to 25 years. Swirl charged induction, power flow. Well, let me get the cap off here and I'll show you. It's a 3-cylinder, I believe. So there we are. We got our force here. There's going to be some fixing up to do in here for sure. This thing isn't hooked up. That's throttle, I believe. The hose is in here. Look like they're dry rotted and will need definitely new hoses. Oh yeah, they're all toast. Wiring in the motor seems fine. Made in the USA parts, that's nice to see. And got a few things here unhooked. I hate it when things are unhooked. I have to figure all that out. But, oh well, that's my job to figure all that out. No fuel because it doesn't have any, but there we go. 85 horsepower, big motor. Like, this thing is huge. I think they said it weighs around 250 to 300 pounds. But it looks like it's in decent shape for what it is on this 16-foot StarCraft. Beautiful boat that me and the wife are gonna do our best to make look a lot better in the next coming. Well, we're not going to use it until next year, so it really doesn't matter how much we do right now. We got it home, and it's here. It needs a bunch of work. We got it at a really good price, so we're kind of needed a bigger boat because we want to go on some bigger lakes, and well, the small 12-foot John boat just wasn't cutting it anymore. So we wanted a nice, deeper, bigger boat to do that. So there you go. You see what I got? You see, another project. I'm always getting projects. And hopefully I can have this on the lake next year. The wife says, yep, that's what we're gonna do. All right, thanks for watching, and be kind to me in the comments.